Women are told so much, and it gets thrown at them in the form of advertising and in just the general attitudes of family and friends and society. In general, you are weak, you are inferior.
And what are the main things that you want equality in?
Well, it's probably the basic underlying thing is just a general change of attitude toward women in general, and on the part of women themselves.
Mm. Well, your song, I Am Woman, it suggests a toughness, almost an aggressiveness. I am strong, I am invincible.
It's a positive statement, okay? Positive.
I am strong. I am invincible. I am woman.
Songs like I Am Woman resonate because they're simply celebrating being female.
And it's this moment where she's inviting other women to own their power.